In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can get a skin like K-pop idols. There is an example K-pop idol's skin is like smooth, glowing, and young skin. So let's start. 10 steps skincare routine step by step. Result in 1 month. Step 1. Oil-based cleanser. Benefits of oil-based cleanser and clogging pores. Removing dead skin, pollutants and makeup, helping balance the skin and locking in hydration. Step 2. Water-based cleanser. Benefits of water-based cleanser. Help remove any leftover dirt, grime or cleanser residue. Step 3. Face mask. Benefits of face mask. Clears pores, even skin tone. Hydration, firmer skin. Step 4. Toner. Benefits of toner. Reduces pores. Maintains skin pH balance. Hydration, tightens pores. Step 5. Essence. Benefits of essence. Boosts skin hydration. Hydrate skin. Hydration protects skin. Step 6. Ampule. Benefits of ampule. Improving fine lines, brown spots, dry skin, a dull complexion, dry patches on the face. Defending the skin against pollution or external aggressors and moisturizing dry skin. Step 7. Sheet mask. Benefits of sheet mask. Hydration, anti-aging product. Easy to use, refined pores. Step 8. Eye cream. Benefits of eye cream. Dark circles, fine lines. Puffiness, moisturizing. Step 9. Moisturizer. Benefits of moisturizer. Slow the signs of aging, help fight acne. Prevent dryness, soothe sensitive skin. Last step. Sunscreen. Benefits of sunscreen. Prevent skin cancer, prevent sunburn. Keep skin healthy, protection from UV rays. Repeat the same process, you see the difference day by day. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.